Okay, so me and the pups, we're going to Piney Knob. I'm gonna walk both dogs at the same time, which is a rare thing, especially at Piney Knob, because they are crazy. So put the garage door, and let's head on over to Piney Knob. So let's go, pups, let's go to Piney Knob. Okay, so we are ready to go. Piney Knob, and Gypsy wants to stick her head out the window. Trying to get this garage door to close. It's not closing yet. There it goes. Garage door is closing. All right, so let's go to Piney Knob. Okay, so we are going to turn on the Piney Knob right here on the Piney Knob Trail and go up this road for about a mile. And we're gonna go hiking on Piney Knob. It's going uphill most the entire way. And Gypsy's got to stick her head out the window because she's always interested in what's going on. And Max is over there, looking around. So let's go up Piney Knob. And I gotta put the phone down so I can better drive, because I'm also holding on to Gypsy to make sure she doesn't jump out the window as well. And it's a one-lane road going up to Piney Knob with Max and Gypsy. And it's more difficult because I'm hiking with both of them by myself. But with Max, he's constantly pulling and Gypsy's constantly stopping to go sniff everything. And we're going uphill. So about another mile, we'll get to the trailhead. So I gotta stick my head out the window, John. No, Piney Knob. Hopefully nobody's gonna come on this way on this short bend here. Going uphill. Here's the dirt road section. Okay, so we are just about at the parking area of the Piney Knob Trailhead. And it looks like there's quite a lot of people here today. I didn't think there'd be anybody here on a Monday. All right, so we're gonna find a place to park. We park right over here. Should be fine. This looks like there's a space up here closer I can get to. Somebody in this Jeep is getting ready to back up. So I'll park right on the side there. And there's the trailhead right there. Somebody from Florida. And they got a dog there too. I don't want to go in that hill. Alright, so we're parked. So we get pups hooked up and go hiking. Okay, we're at the trail. Got Max hooked up. Get enough room now. Get loud now. Floridians are all over the place here today. Okay, Gypsy Pup, come on, let's go. Okay, so we are now hiking in Piney Knob. It's about a 2-mile round trip, maybe a little more. So I might take roto coaster. Walking 2 pups, which is a little bit more difficult. Because Gypsy likes to sniff everything and Max wants to pull. Gypsy's always standing behind me. She's got to sniff everything. There's a little rock waterfall for you. Just got to take a poop.